I'm working on a 2018 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. And to do that, you have to remove this side trim panel, remove the glove box, and remove this little trim panel right here. There's 4 bolts holding the glove box in, and that takes a 7mm. And let me get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this side panel, and that just pulls out. Set that aside, and then that gives you access to 2 of the 4 screws holding the glove box in. I'm using the Craftsman socket set. All right, next thing I need to do is remove this side trim panel, and in order to get the glove box out, first thing I have to do is remove this bottom kick panel. And that just pulls off, and that allows this piece just to pop loose. That allows the glove box just to pop right out. Let that lay down. All right, once you remove the glove box and kind of set that down towards the floorboard, you'll see the access panel for the cabin air filter. And you pull up on both sides, and then it just folds down. And you can see, always make note of the direction the air flows, and it flows down. This is the original equipment AC Delco. I suspect this thing has probably never been changed, and this is a 2018. Then get your new cabin air filter. Push your new cabin air filter in place. Push up on the panel. Make sure it clicks. Put the glove box back in place. Reinstall the 4 7mm bolts. Put on this side piece. Reinstall the side trim piece and make sure you get it underneath the weather stripping. And replace the bottom kick panel. And that is replacing the cabin air filter in a 2018 Chevy Cruze. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So a lot of people online say you have to remove this top dash trim panel, but you absolutely do not. But if you want to, there's one 7mm bolt on the side. Pull that out. It literally just pops right out.